Welcome to 6361 Cascade Peak Court in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, this is a beautifully maintained turnkey home built in 2001. And my name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. Thank you so much for joining us on our channel today of all things Las Vegas. Now, this home, as you can see, it's a very small community. There's only about 12 homes in it. Right there at the end of the road was the cul-de-sac. But let's go ahead and head on into the property. We have 2,528 square feet. Our lot size is going to be pool-sized at 7,841. We have 4 total bedrooms. It's got a gorgeous 3-car garage with epoxy flooring. And right here we have the main living room. This is an open concept living room. We have a dining room, the kitchen, the living room. We have access to the backyard. But before we look too much into here, we're going to go ahead and take a peek at these secondary bedrooms first. Back here we have bedroom 3 and 4. They are both generously sized. Have pocket closets, and they do share a full bathroom in between. Right off the garage entrance to our right, we have the laundry room. Generously sized. You got upper storage, which is really nice to have. We have an additional storage closet right there. And now we're going to head over into bedroom 3. This is a on-street bedroom, providing additional living space and flexibility for guests, multi-generational living, or if you work from home, a comfortable office space. The primary bedroom offers a relaxing retreat with ample space, actually huge. This is a massive room. There's so much space in here. You're also going to note right there we do have nice high-end shutters throughout the house. It's a well-designed layout, and when we go into the primary bathroom, the kitchen opens directly into the main living space. We do have a nice, large, formal dining area. As you can see, we have a table that is seated for 10. We have a nice, large center island, stone countertops, gorgeous cabinetry, and of course we have this open concept living, which just creates a great and inviting vibe, whether you're entertaining guests or for that quiet night at home. We have a large walk-in pantry. Additional closet for more storage, and this beauty is a 1978 Schwinn Suburbia, and no, those are not the original rims. It's kind of funny that you have a disc and a racing front rim on a 1978 Cruiser. Pretty cool bike. Out in the backyard, it's very large, very low maintenance with the turf, and you have ample space. You want to put in a pool, an outdoor barbecue, whatever you want. You do have a nice covered patio, just a great space to make your own. And yes, that is a lime tree. It's supposed to be a lemon tree, but it's a lime tree, started producing. Anyways, thanks so much for joining. If you have any questions about this house, give me a call. Any questions about the Vegas Valley, give me a call. We'd love to chat. Have a fantastic day.